Okay, the Satilla River heading looking north. Tide is out. Look at all that muck that crawfish crawl around in. You guys like crawfish. Y'all can have all the crawfish. Y'all can have all of my share of the crawfish. I care not for them. Look at that muck. Looking over to the park where they have the Crawfish Festival. I wonder if I can send the drone up here. I need to check our app and see. Brackish Satilla water. What's making that noise down there? Pigeons. I thought I'd recognize that noise. Oh, we're getting a show. A10 Warthogs. Marine Bombing Range. Townsend Bombing Range. I hope we get some more of the air show. Those Warthogs were great. I hope this video turns out. I don't know if I don't have a clue whether it did or not till I can get where I can see the screen better. They came from over there, looped back around and came right up over us. That would be coming from the direction of the, up there in Townsend, the Marine Corps Bombing Range. I don't know about you, buddy, but these bugs are trying to eat me alive. Oh, you are a gorgeous... I think you're a corn snake. There's that tongue. There you go. You can move. I'm not going to hurt you. He's about 7 inches away from me, moving my way. Go on, do your thing, buddy. I'll catch you something to eat. Didn't mean to disturb your lunch.